Hello and welcome to the widget introduction video. What are widgets? How do they work? And how can they help you to increase your store's AOV and thus increasing your revenue? Let me take you through our app, iCart. My name is Jay and let's get started. Widgets are the building blocks of your cart. You can add them, remove them, or reorder them to fit your needs. Now let's take a look at the different type of widgets you can use to build your cart. First, the progress bar, a great way to motivate your customer to spend more by showing them how close they are to a reward, free shipping, extra discount, or a free product, or combine them all as per your requirement. Next, the cart item widget. You can neatly show all the items that the user has added, and it comes with a built-in upsell. Here, a pair of socks can be added right to the cart from the cart item widget. Product upsells allow you to show premium add-ons right into your cart. Here, a premium running shoes adds to the order value. With product recommendation, give the perfect externals to your customers by showing them items that would go hand in hand with what they are already purchasing. Here, buying a pair of running shoes, why not show a water bottle, a headband, or even a hand towel? This allows you to grow your cart value. Discounts allows you to create an urgency, encouraging shoppers to act fast, boosting your conversion. Discounts are applied right from the cart without the need of any coupon code. Bundle allows you to group items together and offer a special discount. Here, running shoes, insoles, water bottle all at 20% off if purchased together. You can allow them to purchase the whole bundle or pick an individual item. Either way, your AOV grows. Checkout button makes completing an order smooth and flexible. Keep it sticky for easy access or add fields such as order notes, terms and condition, or product upsell such as gift wrap or shipping insurance. Now it's your turn. Select your widget, set up your cart, and start boosting your sales. And remember, if you ever get stuck, our support team is here for you. With a free onboarding call, they will guide you every step of the way.